Established in the Greater Bilbao industrial area, Prosertek was born in 1992 as a manufacturer of elastomer fending systems. Shortly thereafter, the company initiated an expansion process which took it from the conventional seaport sector to the area of oil and gas terminals, effectively becoming one of the 3 leading worldwide suppliers of harbour equipment. Our aim to be a global benchmark is a consequence of our solid design and engineering. Our manufacturing sites and laboratories equipped with test beds are located in one of the most industrialized areas in Europe. At present, Prosertek operates in more than 30 countries. We have our own offices in America, as well as long experience as engineering contractors in the main harbouring projects in the world. Our products and services, which are synonymous with quality, efficiency and innovation, stand out because of their particular approach to the end user. This is possible thanks to our production and control RDI centres, which are located in a highly demanding industrial area. This single fact has allowed us to have staff of proven background and experience. The systems and equipment manufactured by Prosertek have become a global benchmark thanks to our high-quality standards, the adaptability of our designs and their sheer efficiency. Prosertek, which is a family-owned business, devotes most of its profits to investing in RDI. This commitment to innovation allows our research team to be continuously active and keeps our products, access and boarding bridges, docking systems, berthing aid systems and fending systems in constant development. This way, we can adapt to both new technologies and the changing needs of our clients. In doing so, we have become a synonym of assurance and reliability. Since its very beginnings, Prosertek has been a company in constant expansion. This growth has been recently attested by the opening of our new subsidiary, Prosertek America. Our branch office in Miami serves now as the center of operations in a continent that accounts for 30% of our turnover. Because we understand that each engineering project has its own specifications, we have devised a business plan based on client satisfaction and flexibility, as well as a range of products with a high degree of adaptability. These unique selling points allow us to adapt to the specific needs of each user, ensuring operative excellence and the highest quality for each product. This is all assured by the demanding controls and the auditing procedures implemented in the manufacturing process, and also by the possibility to verify product functionality on our premises. We also provide full-time assistance services for assembly and offer after-sales technical support, which allows our clients to have access to Prosertek's experience and knowledge as often as they may deem necessary. As a consequence of our commitment to the highest quality and environmental standards, we have obtained ISO and OSHAS certification. Compliance with the main international rules and regulations such as ATEX, IECX, BS-EN and PAINC ensures our quality and safety standards. Aside from our permanent customer service, we offer technical services in both preventive and corrective maintenance. We also provide upgrades that allow our clients to integrate new developments and improvements into the equipment to make it more effective. Likewise, in addition to taking part in international regulatory forums, we run seminars and training courses on harbour equipment in several countries. In Prosertek, we continue to work to achieve excellence in our products and services so that our clients' lives are easier and safer. Prosertek, design and manufacture, adaptability and quality.